Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. If you have a Samsung TV, specifically this remote, voice assistant can get up on there. Hopefully you can hear my little baby's playing with a toy in the background. So if voice assistant comes on, which I don't know how my wife accidentally turned this on, but it did. She did. So go over, all the way over to the left and find settings, okay? Hit settings. Then go down to general, and you're just using your little toggle. Sorry, I can't zoom in, but toggle down.
General.
This is like your enter button, hopefully you guys know that. And then go over to accessibility. You think voice, right? Voice is not it. Accessibility, hit the plus sign or the enter button. See that? Voice guide setting, hit it. It looks like it's off, it's not. You can change the volume, but we want it off because it's annoying. So hit this again. Watch. There you go. Gone. And then you can go back and test it. It's not doing it anymore. So hit thumbs up, hit subscribe if you like these videos. I make great videos all the time. Thanks so much. Stay tuned for more great content. Bye-bye.